guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Tiffany, that Nigerian based in Ghana YouTuber. What's going on? Yes, you're probably going to see me in this outfit like 3 times on this YouTube channel because I just conducted an interview, my first interview of the year. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So yes, like I said on my video, I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing video, and I'm unboxing my new tripod. I am so excited, guys. You know, I have been looking for a tripod for the longest time. Like, I've never like really owned like those ring lights before, like those big ones, because I always wanted to get like a proper tripod stand, and now I have one. I'll leave the link in my description box of where I got it. I don't know if people are looking to get tripods here in Ghana, but it was sort of hard to get it, but I found someone plugged me. So any which ways, let me not talk too much, but I'm excited. So let's unbox it together. This is called this brand, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but Weifeng WT3560 camera/camcorder tripod. I got this for 250 Ghana cedis here in Ghana. Yes, and it's quite heavy, and I can go up to 5 feet, so that's why I haven't got it, because I wanted like a tall tripod stand. Why do I keep saying tripod? It's tripod, Jesus. Anyway, I don't know why I keep saying that, but let me just get this open so that I can get this unboxing over with. They really secured it. Okay, so yes, it comes, my receipt is here. I told you guys I got it for 250 Ghana cedis. Yeah, I'll leave their description box in case you guys are looking for where to get a tripod here in Ghana. I could scream. This is like, it's heavy. This is like my first ever proper tripod. I think I've said that before. I feel like a professional YouTuber now. Oh my god, I'm excited. You guys won't believe what I used to use to shoot. Don't worry, it's actually a tripod as well, but it's those plastic ones. English. Ooh, this is beautiful. Well, it has a manual, but it's in Chinese, of course. Did I expect anything less? Ooh, it's the way it's so heavy for me. Charlie, will I understand this thing? Okay. Sorry, so sorry. Okay, wow. So then what I'll do is I'm going to like set it to like the highest, the longest. I am. Woo! I love things like this. So cool. Okay. Ooh. Okay, wow, that is some tall tripod. Okay. Oh, do you see how huge that is? Like, we are professional now. 2022. But let me take this. Okay, I hope you guys can see now. My camera should not fall down because I'm trying to. Wow. And guys, let me even bust your head. One reason why I actually copped this tripod is because, just look. Yeah, then it goes very why are you looking at me? So you see, it goes up. That's one reason why I got it. It's like really high, so it's professional. So you just, then this part, you use it to secure. It's really tall. I can't show you guys everything, but it's really tall. Just look. Wow, proper tripod. We are professional now. Okay, it's so beautiful. I wish I could show you like everywhere, but this is literally the Weifeng, however it's pronounced, WT3560 tripod, 5 feet tall. Yeah, so that's all for my first ever unboxing video. You can tell I'm excited. Many more to come on this channel. Do not move a muscle. Okay, actually move a muscle because you probably catch me in the next video. But yes, I'm super excited. Tell me what you think about this tripod. Tell me if you get one. If you're a content creator, tell me if you're gonna get one soon. I really advise you get one. Even though I've not used it before, I mean, like, I've seen a lot of good reviews and I'm happy I was able to get it. So anyways guys, do not forget to like, share and comment. Tell me what content you want me to shoot with our new tripod.